problems based on ratios. Now let us see few problems how to solve using these properties of the ratios. Okay, for example, let me take few questions. If A is to B, A is to B is one ratio that is equals to 4 is to 9 and B is to C is another ratio that value is 6 is to 5. Find two questions. We need to find out first one is A is to C and one more A is to B is to C value. Okay, here is the method to find out this. First one A is to C. So A by C value we need to find out. But using A is to B and B is to C, A divided by C. A is to C is nothing but in the fractions we can write A by C. That is A by B into B by C we can write directly. Because A by B into B by C, B cancel, same A by C only will come. Okay, A divided by C we can write A by B into B by C. We know already A is to B is 4 is to 9 means A divided by B is equal to 4 divided by 9. Okay, direct one. So this is 4 divided by 9. And B by C. B is to C is given. Okay, then B divided by C is 6 divided by 5. Yes, if we can simplify this, there is nothing but A divided by C value. 4 by 9 into 6 by 5. Cancel this 3 table, 2's are 3's are. So 4 into 2, 8 by 3 into 5 is 15. We should write in the simplest form, always ratios. That is A by C. Okay, according to this, A is to C is equals to 8 is to 15. Okay, that is one. And to find out A is to B is to C. Next one. To find out A is to B is to C. Here, if you see the question, your B ratio is 9. Here is the B ratio value 6. For 6 and 9 and 6, you can take the least common multiple, LCM. For 9 and 6, LCM is 18. So we can make B as 18. So that is A is to B is equals to 4 is to 9 is given. 4 is to 9 and B is to C is equals to 6 is to 5, right? So now what we should do, just here is the B value is 9, B value 6, because B is the common in between. A is to B is to C, B is only the common. Here B value 9. If you multiply any number, you should multiply both the places, antecedent and consequent. So I need 9 should become 18 because 9 and 6 LCM is 18. Okay, to make this as 18, I should multiply the 2. So into 2 we multiply. That becomes 8 is to 18. And here is 6 I need to become 18. So into 3, same 3 should multiply for antecedent also. 6 into 3 is 18 and 5 into 3 is 15. So now it is same if you observe. So A is to B is not 4 is to 9. Now it's 8 is to 18. And B is to C is 18 is to 15. So therefore A is to B is to C. 8 is to 18 is to 15. Now 3 combined, if there is any simplification you can do. But these two are even numbers, it's not odd. So we can't simplify. So A is to B is to C is 8 is to 18 is to 15. Right, we can solve in this way. Let us see one more problem. Okay, just a few problems I will show. Based on that, you can do the remaining sums, any type of questions in this ratios. If 3x plus 4y is to 6x plus 5y is equals to 11 is to 19. This is the given. Then find x is to y. Right. So using this I need to find out x is to y. X is to y means if I can find x divided by y also is enough. Okay, then we can do solution like this. First convert into the fractions. That is 3x plus 4y by 6x plus 5y is equals to 11 divided by 19. Okay, now instead of finding x is to y, just I need to find out x divided by y first. Do cross multiplication for this because I need to get x divided by y value. So if you do cross multiplication with 19 into 3x plus 4y with 11 into this denominator, that is 6x plus 5y, by cross multiplication method. Now just to multiply this, 19 into 3, 57x plus 19 into 4, 76y, and 11 into 6, 66x plus 55, because 11 into 5 is 55y. Take the x terms one side, that is, take only one side. So 57, 66x minus 57x, I took this side. 76y minus 55y. Okay, y terms LHS and x terms RHS I took. 66 minus 57. So 9x. 76 minus 55. How much is 21y? I need to get from this x divided by y. Then, so only 21 into y. Take this side. X by y. 21 by 9. Simple. This 9 LHS and y to this RHS side. X divided by y is 21 by 9. You simplify this. 3 3s are 3 7s. So from this 7 divided by 3, that is equal to 7 is to 3. So x is to y is equals to 7 is to 3. We can write. We can confirm this. Okay, in this way we can solve this type. And let us see one more. Okay, the question is okay, which is greater? This type also let me show one. Which is greater? Whenever they'll give two ratios, okay, either 8 is to 9 or 10 is to 11. So to confirm which is the greater, just let a by b is equals to a divided by b is 8 divided by 9, and second one is c divided by c is 10 divided by 11. Just you can take a by b and c by d and do cross AD by BC, that is 8 into 11. Okay, 88 by 9 into 10 is 90. So from this AD is obviously, this is 88 and this is 90, right? So AD is less than BC, we know that. AD is 88 ratio, BC is 90. So AD is less than BC. From this A, B into C, B take this side, divide by B. C, D take RHS, divide by D. That's it. A by B is less than C by D. But A by B is 8 divided by 9 is less than 10 divided by 11. So from this 8 is to 9 is less than 10 is to 11. It's also one of the, or else just you can go for cross multiplication also we can do. In this way also we can show which is the greater. Okay, this is one of the method. And let me show another problem, that is some dividing some quantity in the given ratio. Let us take one problem, because mostly we get the questions like this in examination point of view. Divide 105 in the ratio 17 is to 4. Okay, in the 17 is to 4, I need to divide this 105 rupees in the ratio 17 is to 4. So here is the ratio is, given ratio is 17 is to 4. In this ratio I should divide this. So who is having 17 ratio, they'll get more amount. So further, first we need to find out the sum of ratio. Compulsory. Sum of ratio is 21, right? 17 plus 4, 21. So first term value if we need, that is first ratio, 17 by total ratio into how much we should divide, 105. Okay, this you can calculate. Similarly, the second term means second ratio by sum of the ratio into how much we should distribute or divide, that one which you can take. We can cancel this. 21 ones are 21 5s, right? 17 into 5 is 85. Same, 21 ones are 21 5s are cancel, 4 5s are 20. Yes, so in the 17:4 ratio, the amount is 85 and 20. So 17, first term got more, 85 rupees, and this is the 20 rupees. Same, if you add this both, you'll get again 105. Right? This is the basic way we can solve the problems. Most we can get like these questions. Next we'll see this is about the ratios and problems. Next we'll continue proportion and continued proportion, and the problems also we'll see now.